Let me be honest with you. If you start YouTube in the wrong niche, you will struggle for years. But if you choose the right AI niche in 2026, you can grow faster than people who started 5 years ago. In Lagos, Nairobi, people are building YouTube channels using AI plus phone plus internet, and some are already earning more than office jobs. Today, I'll show you the best YouTube niches for AI creators in 2026, why they grow fast, and how you can start, even as a beginner. Watch until the end, because niche number 6 is the biggest opportunity in Africa right now. In 2026, people don't want theory, they want solutions, they want speed, they want skills that AI gives creators. Faster content creation, higher quality videos, less cost, more consistency. You don't need to be a programmer. You just need to teach, explain, or apply AI to real problems. This niche is GLD. People are searching. Best free AI tools for students, AI tools for small business, AI tools for Africa content ideas. Top 5 free AI tools for students in Kenya. AI tools every small business must use in 2026. I tested 10 AI tools. So you don't have to monetization, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital guides, why it goes viral. People want simple explanations, not complex AI talk. This niche is exploding. Creators want AI for scripts, AI for thumbnails, AI for editing, AI for SEO content ideas. I grew a YouTube channel using only AI. Best AI tools for YouTubers in 2026. How small African creators can beat big channels using AI monetization courses, coaching templates reality. Most creators are confused. If you simplify, they will follow you. People don't wake up wanting AI, they wake up wanting money. This niche answers how AI saves money, how AI creates income, how AI replaces manual work content ideas, how AI can help small businesses in Africa. AI side hustles that work in 2026. How I use AI to run a business alone monetization. Consulting business tools. Brand deals African advantage. Many businesses are offline or manual. AI gives huge leverage. Students are stressed. Graduates are confused. Jobs are changing. This niche solves that. Content ideas. How students use AI to study smarter AI skills that will get you hired in 2026. AI tools for exams, research, and CV writing monetization. Courses, study guides, sponsored tools. Example: a student in rural area with AI skills can compete globally. This niche is perfect if you fear camera, you want automation, you want scale content ideas. Motivational AI videos. AI storytelling, AI explainer videos, AI voice documentaries monetization. Ad revenue, automation channels, multiple channels. Truth. Some faceless AI channels make money while the owner sleeps. This is the most underrated niche. Most AI content is made for USA, Europe, Africa needs context, simplicity, local examples, content ideas. How AI can help African youth via opportunities in African country. How AI is changing jobs in Africa monetization. NGOs, education platforms, government, and institutions. If you become early here, you become the authority. Let me be clear, 2024 was early. 2025 was preparation. 2026 is execution. Algorithms reward consistency, value, clarity, not perfection. Do this. 1. Choose one niche. 2. Post 2 to 3 videos per week. 3. Use AI to save time. 4. Improve every video. Don't wait for camera, a laptop. Confidence comes after posting, not before. If you want skills that pay, digital freedom, growth in 2026, start now. Subscribe to my channel if you want AI skills, YouTube mastery, real growth strategies, because the future is not coming. It's already here.